Three clients walked into the same bank on the same morning. All three wanted to open an account, but each one was treated differently. Was the bank being unfair, or was it simply following anti-money laundering guidelines? Let's find out.
Welcome to the official channel. This is the MLRO Files. Good morning, sir. Welcome to DAME. Welcome to Anglo-American Bank. How may I assist you today?
Good morning, thank you. I'm here on behalf of Manchester National Bank. We're looking to establish a corporate settlement account to facilitate interbank settlements and other operational banking services.
Certainly, sir. We'd be pleased to assist you. May I have your business card and the account opening documents, please?
Of course, thank you. I'm here on my ID documents, my authorization letter from the bank, our banking license, certificate of incorporation, board resolution authorizing the account overseas.
Thank you. Could you briefly explain the purpose of opening this account?
Of course, the account will be used exclusively for settlement activities, operational payments, and other banking transactions between our institution and yours.
Thank you. As part of our onboarding process, we'll verify your institution's regulatory status, review the corporate documentation, and confirm the authority of the authorized signatories.
Certainly, we understand these are standard regulatory requirements, and we are happy to provide any additional information that you may require.
Based on our preliminary assessment, your institution is a licensed bank regulated by the central bank. Subject to the successful completion of our verification process, this relationship may qualify for simplified due diligence under our internal AML framework.
That's good to hear. Please let us know if you require any further documentation. We'll be happy to provide it.
This is a practical example of simplified due diligence. Although the client is another regulated financial institution, the bank still performs client identification, verifies the client's regulatory status, confirms the authority of the authorized representatives, and understands the purpose of the relationship.
SDD doesn't mean no due diligence. It means the firm applies a proportionate level of due diligence because the client has been assessed as presenting a lower level of financial crime risk.
Good afternoon. I'd like to open a current account. My salary will be credited into this account every month.
Certainly, sir. May I ask where you're currently employed?
I'm a senior mechanical engineer with Al Noor Engineering LLC. Here is my card.
Thank you. We'll need to review your identification documents, employment details, and proof of address as part of our standard account opening process.
Certainly, I have all the documents with me, and this account will mainly be used for my monthly salary, day-to-day expenses, and personal savings.
Approximately how much do you expect to receive into this account each month?
Around AED 22,000 per month, which is my monthly salary.
We'll review your documents you've provided, conduct the required screening checks, and once everything is satisfactory, we'll proceed with opening your account.
Perfect. I understand these are standard regulatory requirements, and I'm happy to provide all the requested information. Unlike SDD, a standard client undergoes the firm's full onboarding process. At the same time, unlike Enhanced Due Diligence, there were no significant risk indicators requiring additional scrutiny. CDD applies to the majority of clients. The objective is to understand who the client is, verify their identity, understand the purpose of the business relationship, and ensure the expected account activity is consistent with the client's profile.
Good afternoon. I'd like to open a corporate account for my company, which is into imports and exports of clothing and apparel. Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to Anglo-American Bank. Certainly. Could you briefly explain the nature of your business?
My company imports and exports clothing and apparel. We purchase goods from several countries and supply customers across the Europe, Middle East, and Asia.
Which countries do you primarily conduct business with?
We regularly trade with Turkey, China, UAE, and several European countries. I also hold a Russian passport, and some of our business activities involve counterparties in that region.
Based on your international business profile, we'll need to complete enhanced due diligence before we can establish the banking relationship. Your business involves international trade and cross-border transactions. We have to perform additional AML and sanctions due diligence, and we need your company's ownership structure, source of wealth, source of funds, expected transaction activity, key trading partners, and supporting documents relating to your business. We'll also complete enhanced sanctions and compliance screening before proceeding.
That's perfectly understandable. I'll provide all the requested information and supporting documents, and I hope to escalate the account opening.
Certainly, once our EDD review has been completed and all regulatory requirements have been satisfied, we'll be pleased to proceed with opening your corporate account.
In this example, the bank applied EDD because the client's overall risk profile warranted additional scrutiny. Factors such as international trade, cross-border transactions, and client holding a Russian passport required the bank to gather more information before establishing the relationship. Remember, enhanced diligence doesn't mean the client has done anything wrong. It simply reflects a risk-based approach where clients presenting higher risk factors receive a greater level of scrutiny before a business relationship is established.
There are 3 levels of due diligence. Standard CDD is for typical customers. High-risk cases require enhanced due diligence.